Okay, so we're gonna unbox this car stereo from JOYING. So as everyone knows, with the coronavirus or COVID-19 that's going around, this package came from China, Hong Kong. So it's just gonna wipe it down with alcohol so that we're safe. I'm just probably overreacting while doing this one out, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So let's wipe down the box itself. But I'm glad that everyone's in there down enjoying. They're safe. I was talking to them and they're okay. So I'm just gonna wipe this one down here, not the whole box. I'm already wearing my gloves, not touching my face, my nose on it, so I should be fine. And hopefully the virus already died through transportation. But again, I just want to be safe. Since I'm here in Washington State and we already have 1-2 person dead in here, I don't know. A lot of infected people. You don't know. But yeah, so I got this one. So they're so nice that they sent me this car stereo. I will test it on my 2018 Toyota CHR. So there's a box inside the box, so it's a generic box. So again, I'm gonna wipe this one down with alcohol also, just to make sure, because I'm paranoid. So I'm just being paranoid. So shirts should be fine with this. I'll wipe down the actual item too. So so that's the main head unit. So it comes with the wire. This is made for Toyota, so they gave me a free reverse camera, which can be used as front camera also if you want to mount it. So my CHR already got a rear reverse camera on it. So this, I don't know what this is the mic when making phone calls. I think this is the GPS antenna or cell antenna. Got USB cable extension, I think. So there's another antenna. So I don't know why there's two. There's another USB cable extension. I think this is the GPS antenna. So it's thicker. Yep, this is the GPS antenna. This is made for the Toyota. So the Toyota is plug and play, supposed to be plug and play on my Toyota CHR. So that's the harness. The main head unit is a 2-DIN. It has the SD card, I think, here, or the SIM card. So they're JOYING. So I requested from them to send me one that doesn't have the big JOYING logo on the screen. I hope they did not forget, since they're thinking a lot of stuff down there. So let me just put this back. Let me pull this one out. So CD, really hope there's no logo on this. Let's pray that there's no logo. Oops. It's a hiccup. And there's a logo on it, so I have to contact them so that they can send me the one that doesn't have a logo. So I'll do the install video so that I won't delay uploading this video. Yep, I guess they just forgot because there's a lot happening down in China. So yep, so there's a quick unboxing of this Android head unit. I'll upload more video on the actual installation of this stereo on my Toyota CHR 2018. So I'll hit them a message and tell them that they forgot my screen. So, alright, thank you for watching.